In this video, I will be assessing the Canadian Trug Forward Flexion, YMCA Sit and Reach, Chair Sit and Reach test, and Thomas test in order to determine my flexibility. Prior to each assessment, we will start with a 5 to 10 minute aerobic warm-up. I will start with the Canadian Trunk Forward Flexion test, where the hamstrings and lower back is being assessed. Make sure to remove shoes and sit with feet flat against box. When you reach forward, make sure to exhale as you reach. Knees are not bent, and hold the position for 2 seconds. Do not lead with one hand. Repeat the assessment and we will take the best out of both scores. The score should be in centimeters. However, we will subtract 3 centimeters from each value in the table and categorize according to the table of fitness categories from trunk forward flexion using a sit and reach box, which I classify as fair. Next, I will perform the YMCA Sit and Reach test. For this test, make sure to remove shoes. Place a yardstick on floor along with a strip of tape on 15-inch mark, and place feet on tape edge. Once you reach forward, make sure you exhale as you reach. The fingers must touch yardstick, and hold your position for 2 seconds. Do not lead with one hand and ensure knees are not bent. The score for this test should be in inches, and we will take the best of 2 scores. And according to the table of fitness categories for the YMCA Sit and Reach test, I classify as average. For the chair sit and reach test is helpful for older population. It works as a measure of hamstrings and flexibility in older men and women. In this test, the chair must have a 17-inch in height and placed against the wall. There is no need to remove shoes for this test. Extend one leg with ankle dorsiflex and make sure to keep on the tested leg flat on floor and head in normal alignment. Exhale when reaching forward and hold position for 2 seconds. A second person must be needed to hold the ruler and assist. The score will be in inches as well. The space between big toe and fingertips are counted as a negative score. If fingers go past big toe, it will count as a positive score. Touching the toes is scored as 0. For this test, both legs will be tested. The last test that I will be performing is a Thomas test, which is a hip flexor flexibility. You will lie supine and bring leg to the chest. If straight leg remains in contact with mat, the hip flexors of that leg are flexible. If not, it be scored as inflexible. You will also need a second person to assist, and for this test, both legs will be tested as well.